In this tutorial you are going to learn how to add JavaScript in GeneratePress theme. First, you need to install and activate the GP Premium plugin. You will find the link to this plugin below this video. Once the GP Premium plugin is installed and activated, go to Appearance, GeneratePress, and activate the Elements module. Now, go to Appearance, Elements, and create a new element of type hook. Give a name to the element. You can enter the JavaScript over here in the code editor field. Now, set the hook in the hook field where you want to add the JavaScript. A hook is basically the place on your page where you want to insert the JavaScript. Once this is done, go to the Display Rules tab and select the location in the location field where you want to add the JavaScript. You can insert the JavaScript on the entire site or on some specific pages. Finally, hit the Publish button to publish your changes. That's it. You have now successfully added JavaScript in the GeneratePress theme. Now, do you want to know about the cheapest tools to build and run a website? I have created Website Builder's Toolbox that will give you this list of cheap tools. Click the link below this video to get the Website Builder's Toolbox. And, if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more tutorials like this.